and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 14, verse 5 up to 7. And in the 14th year came Kedorlaomer and the kings that were with him, and he smote the Rephaims of in Ashtaroth, Karnaim, and the Susims and Ham, and Emims at Shabir Kiriataim, and the Horites in their Mount Seir, unto El Paran, which is by the wilderness. And they returned and came to En Mishpat, which is Kadesh, and smote all the country of the Amalekites, and also the Amorites that dwelt in Hazason Tamar. So that's it. That during the time of Abraham, there is war everywhere due to King Kedorlaomer. So this King Kedorlaomer is a conqueror conquering a lot of lands. However, in those lands, there are kings, and those kings rebel against King Kedorlaomer. So despite their rebellion, King Kedorlaomer conquered them once again, and that's it. That is a chaotic time. So there's war everywhere, but God protect Abraham.